Can you trade futures on Robinhood? When it comes to investing, many traders explore various instruments to diversify their portfolios and maximize potential returns. Among these instruments, futures trading stands out for its potential to hedge risks and speculate on the price movements of commodities, indices, and other assets. A common question among new and seasoned traders alike is whether futures trading is available on popular platforms like Robinhood. Robinhood has made a name for itself by democratizing access to financial markets. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, commission-free trades, and a focus on making investing accessible to everyone. Robinhood offers a range of investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. However, despite its comprehensive suite of financial products, Robinhood does not currently support futures trading. Why futures trading? Futures are standardized contracts that obligate the buyer to purchase, or the seller to sell, an asset at a predetermined future date and price. This type of trading is popular for several reasons. 1. Leverage. Futures allow traders to control large positions with a relatively small amount of capital. 2. Hedging. Businesses and investors use futures to hedge against price fluctuations in commodities, currencies, and other assets. 3. Diversification. Futures offer exposure to a wide range of markets, from agricultural products to financial indices, helping investors diversify their portfolios. While Robinhood is an excellent platform for trading stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, it does not support futures trading at this time. Traders interested in the futures market will need to explore other platforms that cater to this specific need. By choosing the right platform, investors can take advantage of the unique opportunities that futures trading offers, whether for hedging, leveraging, or diversifying their investment portfolios.